Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the chains of financial stress and achieving true financial freedom? Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the strategies and insights on how to achieve financial freedom. Join me as we explore the steps, mindset, and practical tips that can pave the way to a life of financial independence. But before we dive into this empowering discussion, let me ask you a question. What does financial freedom mean to you? And what steps are you willing to take to make it a reality in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And here's the key to unlocking your financial future. If you're ready to take control of your finances and set yourself on the path to freedom, give that like button a resounding click. Your likes are the fuel that drives our mission to bring you empowering content. For all the dreamers and doers seeking financial liberation, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. This way you'll stay informed and inspired on your journey to financial independence. And remember, share this video with friends, family, and anyone you believe deserves to live a life of financial freedom. Let's build a community of empowered individuals striving for a future of abundance. Now let's dive into the secrets and strategies on how to achieve financial freedom and turn those dreams into a reality. Set your money goals. Embarking on the path to financial freedom starts with figuring out what you want to achieve. Do you have dreams of retiring early, launching your own business, or simply enjoying peace of mind? Knowing your financial goals is like having a map that guides you through your money journey, helping you make informed decisions along the way. Make a money plan. Budget. Imagine your money as a roadmap for your life. Creating a budget is like planning your route. Keep a close eye on how much money you make, spend, and save. This not only gives you insight into your spending habits, but also ensures that you set aside money for your goals. A well-thought-out budget becomes a valuable tool for managing your financial resources effectively. Save for emergencies. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund is like having a safety net. Save some money for unexpected events, such as losing your job or facing medical problems. Aim to build a fund that covers your living costs for 3 to 6 months. This way, you'll have financial stability and peace of mind when unexpected challenges arise. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a significant roadblock on your journey to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off credit cards or loans with high interest rates. Becoming debt-free is not only liberating, but also allows you to redirect your money towards activities that help you grow financially. It's a crucial step in achieving greater financial independence. Invest smartly. Investing is like planting seeds for your money to grow over time. Explore different ways to invest based on how much risk you're comfortable with and what you want to achieve. Whether it's putting money into stocks, real estate, or a diversified portfolio, smart investments allow your money to work for you. Making informed investment decisions is a key strategy for securing and enhancing your financial future. Diversify your income streams. Depending solely on a salary may put a cap on your financial growth. It's essential to explore additional avenues to boost your income. Consider engaging in side hustles, exploring passive income sources, or making strategic investments to establish multiple streams of revenue. Diversifying your income not only enhances your financial stability, but also acts as a safety net during unexpected financial challenges. Cultivating various sources of income not only expands your earning potential, but also creates a more robust and resilient financial foundation, allowing you to weather uncertainties with greater ease. Continual learning. The financial world is ever evolving, and staying well-informed is key to navigating its intricacies. Dedicate time to educate yourself about personal finance, different investment strategies, and emerging financial trends. Continuous learning is a powerful tool that equips you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. It allows you to seize opportunities and adapt to the dynamic changes in the financial landscape. The more you know, the better prepared you are to navigate the complexities of your financial journey. By staying informed, you empower yourself to make strategic decisions that align with your financial goals and respond effectively to the challenges that may arise along the way. Setbacks are learning opportunities. Embrace the understanding that the path towards financial freedom is often characterized by twists, turns, and occasional bumps. Setbacks are not indicators of failure, but rather integral components of the learning process. Facing challenges is a natural part of the journey, offering valuable lessons along the way. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, view them as stepping stones to growth. Take the opportunity to delve into the details, comprehend what went astray, Adjust your strategies and use the experience to fine-tune your overall financial approach. Each obstacle presents a chance for personal development and an improvement in your financial standing. Regularly review and adjust. Acknowledge the dynamic nature of life and the need for flexibility in your financial planning. Regular reviews of your financial goals, budget, and investment portfolio are essential. As life unfolds, priorities shift, and goals evolve. Your financial strategy should adapt accordingly. By actively engaging in regular assessments and making necessary adjustments, you ensure that your financial plan remains not only relevant to your current circumstances, but also aligned with your future aspirations. A proactive and responsive approach to financial planning ensures its continued effectiveness. Enjoy the journey. While reaching financial milestones is undoubtedly crucial, equally significant is relishing the journey itself. Take a moment to appreciate both the monumental achievements and the smaller triumphs scattered along the way. Recognize the progress you've made, regardless of its scale, and harness these accomplishments as motivation to propel yourself forward. Finding joy in the present moments of your financial journey not only adds a layer of fulfillment to your pursuit of financial freedom, but also contributes to a positive and resilient mindset. By savoring the journey, you cultivate a holistic approach to financial well-being, fostering a sense of contentment amid the pursuit of long-term financial goals. And there you have it, a roadmap to financial freedom. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a gradual process, but with dedication and smart choices, you can turn your goals into reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share your financial freedom journey in the comments below. Until next time, stay financially savvy.